Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll talk about on World Nature Conservation Day. So let's start. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July every year. It is celebrated to raise awareness about protecting the natural resources. It is also observed to make people understand the importance of the conservation of nature. The day highlights that a healthy environment is necessary for a stable and productive society. This day also ensures the safety of present and future generations. It is necessary to preserve it. It is necessary to create a healthy environment for our healthy growth. There are many threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution, plastics, chemicals, etc. Earth provides us basic necessities to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food, etc. We should always keep our nature clean and healthy. Industrial development and many other things are also responsible for the depletion of nature. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.